George. I'm Buttercup. I'm Snowbell. I'm Sapphire. I'm the judge. I'm Jessica, which is also Miss Swede. I am Jasmine. I'm Justin. I'm Sylvia. I'm Blue. I'm Georgia. I'm Sparkle. I'm Rosie. I'm Amanda. I'm Orange. I'm Amber. And I'm David. School day. What's the deal with her? Why would she even want to come to school? I know. She should be too mad to go to school. I heard she's always being so mean. I know. Let's go tease her. Let's all tease her. Everyone, stand in line. I'll subside as the teacher. Yeah, maybe teasing isn't such a good idea. Right. What is that? Right as she walks in, we can all stare at her. Like she's a rat. I agree. Let's just act like we're not gonna do anything. And when she walks in, we'll tell her. We'll tease her about it. Hi guys! What's all this chattering about? Get away from me. I don't even want to speak to you anymore. But you were my best friend. I don't care. Yeah, we don't even like speaking to you anymore. I agree. The Grumpy Georgia? Hey! Yeah, I don't like you either. Yeah, everyone, and she's falling in love with him. Yes, she's gonna kiss him. She said so in the middle of the night to wake him up. So everyone, stare. Everyone stare at her. Make her not feel good. Make her feel weird. What is all this even about? We heard you say that you were gonna kiss someone. You fell for that junk? And did you ever think that that could have been my dad, and to make him not be as grumpy anymore? Whatever, you're probably lying. Ah, you're a liar. Why is everyone doing this to me? I don't like anyone else. Actually, hardly my father. God, he's coming. Oh well, at least school's over. Sure hope Dad's having a good day at work finally. What's wrong? I'm Amanda. Oh, how was school? Just terrible. It was the worst. Everyone thinks I'm gonna kiss someone else's best friend that they're gonna marry one day. Are you? Of course not. You fell for it too? No, I was just wondering if you were. Oh. We better do the chores before Dad gets home. He's gonna be very mad if we don't. That's all fluffed up. Just how it always is. Blanket. Let's fold it up before Dad gets home, or else he's gonna be super mad. Fold it up nice and neat. Put it on a bed. I can do the rest. Thank you, Buttercup. Come on, go upstairs now. Dad's coming home. I don't hear anything. Oh, no, I do. I know that stomping walk. I better get... Oh. How's work? Just terrible! Go upstairs! Can I show you what I did to the house? You probably ruined it. Go! Right, children these days. Go do extra chores. But Dad, I did all of them. Now, I'll kill your best friend, Buttercup. What? Why would you do that? It's my best friend. She's my only one. I don't care. Do 'em. Right. I'm going to bed. Where in the world are we going? We're leaving. He says he's gonna kill you. Come on, let's get everything in all nice and neat together. We're leaving. I'll go get the suitcase. The suitcase. Got my pet kennel. Whee! What do I need to run away? Ooh. Of course I'll need a blanket. I guess I might need one of my sleeping bags for you. A brush so I don't get dreadlocks. So I don't look like poor kids. Poor kid, even though I will be poor if I run away. Because I'm broke, don't have any money. Father never gave me my allowance that I clean up for. I do my chores every day, don't get anything. Where is she? She's gone! There you are! Ah! Ah! Oh, she fell down a cliff. Serves her right. Oh, ow, ow, ow. I think I broke a rib. Oh, oh. Are you okay? I don't know. Buttercup, come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Buttercup. Ow, ow. Well, just stay here. I'll go look for some help. Oh, ow. I'll go get help. There must be someone for help. Oh, on this mysterious place that no one ever knows about. Hey, anyone here? Please, someone. Yes. Are you not old enough to drive?
Of course I am.
Well, my owner, she's hurt bad. Very bad. We need help.
I better go.
Should I take my sister with me? She's a doctor. Then yes, take her with you. Alright, I'll go get the car. Perfect size. Jump in. Come on. Let's get in. I'll drive. You okay? don't know. I'm hurt. Oh my goodness. I'll call the police. To call your father? No, you can't. He'll kill me. Why? We'll do it first. Tell us why he'll kill you. First, let's go. Ow. Add your stuff. I really want to know, why would your dad kill you? I guess we can wait till your sister gets over here. Ow. I can't even ow. I can't do this. Damn. I guess I can lay down. Yeah, I guess you're right. Princess. So, why does he hurt you? Why would he kill you?